Hello everyone, this is Vishwa here, a real estate marketing expert and also a licensed real estate agent. If you're here to learn how to generate real estate leads from Facebook, then you're in the right place. So let's learn how to generate leads on demand and at a very low cost without having to subscribing to very expensive lead generation services. So you can do it yourself because Facebook ads are very easy to learn and also easy to implement. So you don't need to pay for any expensive services to generate leads. So let's go ahead and get started. So how it works. So traditionally, uh, the best quality real estate leads you get are from the sign call leads, right? You place your sign in the yard of a home you're selling, and somebody walks by, an interested buyer or investor, and then they look at the sign and they call you. Those are the best leads because they are interested, they are motivated, and then they're calling you. That way, you're not cold calling somebody else and see any rejection or resistance from them. So, how can we take that concept and use it in today's world? First of all, there is what is the problem with the sign call leads? The biggest problem is that its limitation. So only the people that walk by to your sign and sees the sign are going to call you. You cannot scale it. So let's take the same concept and use that in the online world where you can have your virtual sign all over the town if you want. So people can still see your home, the brochure, the information, and then reach out to you for more information. So how can we do that? Before that, let's take a step back. So in the beginning, when I wanted to advertise my homes and get some leads, I approached the so-called experts at the online lead generation campaigns, and here is uh, the result I got in one of my campaigns. You can see the cost per conversion. That means cost per lead was $31. So that is really really expensive lead. So I couldn't scale it and make a profitable business out of it. So I decided that I need to learn it myself and run my own campaigns. So I invested time and learned the Facebook ads and then experimented running some campaigns initially, and then over a period of time I got really good at it. So let me show you one of the ads I ran. So this is a Facebook ad that I ran. So where I am advertising just uh, some homes which fall under certain price category. So I'm advertising this to renters and saying that, hey, if your rent is somewhere around $1,400 plus a month, then you might be able to afford to own one of these homes instead. So I ran this ad and the results were pretty good. In 1 week, okay, before we go into the results, let me take you to what happens when somebody clicks on this ad on the Facebook. So they go to a landing page like this. So this is the one I created in some external lead capture website software. So this is pretty easy to use, but I created this landing page for that specific ad. And then here I'm trying to give more reasons and pre-sell them on the idea of the ad. So this one got me pretty good results. Let me show you the results here. So ran this ad for like 4 days or so, spent less than $10 there, and then you can see uh, cost per landing page view, so which is 70 cents. But out of those people that those 14 leads that landed on the landing page, I got 4 leads with their contact information. So that roughly comes down to less than $2.50 per lead, which is pretty good compared to what I was paying, like 20, 30, $40 per lead using the so-called experts. So I was pretty happy about it. So let me ask you a question. So if you can have an ad like that you can copy and paste into your campaign and get similar leads, what would that be worth to you? So let's look at a scenario here. So if you spend, let's say, $100, and at $2.50 each lead, you can get 40 leads. And let's imagine that you convert only one lead out of those 40 leads you got into an actual sale. So what would that be worth to you? You spend $100 and then you closed one deal. So in my market, it would be, the average commission would be like, say, approximately $10,000. So you spend $100 to get a $10,000 lead. That's amazing, isn't it? So imagine, so you're not as good, or your system doesn't work that well, or your market is different. You need to spend $200 to close one lead. Is it worth it for you? What if you have to spend $500, let's say, to close a deal? Is it worth it to you? It's absolutely worth it to me, because $10,000 out of $500 spend is unbelievable return on investment. So I can do that all day. So let's say if I can give you those ad templates that I use and that are working very well for me, and that have worked well for others as well. Let's say I can give you like 5 of those ad templates. How much is it going to worth for you? Are you willing to pay $500 for those templates that you can use again and again and generate multiple leads and close multiple sales? Or is it worth $1,000? If I know that I can get the leads very cheap on Facebook using these templates, then I would pay even more than $1,000. But here is the thing. I'm gonna give you the templates that have worked for me very well and for others as well for only $9.97 today. So this is a limited time offer. And what are you going to get with these Facebook ad templates? You get a template for area homes, the one that I have shown you just now, where even if you don't have your own listings, you can take a certain category homes, like homes priced under certain price, or homes in an area, or homes with pools, or homes that are single level. So you can group homes or categorize them and create an ad for that. Or you can even get a template for advertising a single home. So if you have a listing that is coming soon, or it's just already listed, and you can get really good leads in those type of ads, because the people who are interested and looking for homes are going to click on that and are willing to give their contact information if you present it very well in the ad. So you can get a few templates for those single home ads as well. And you can advertise the foreclosure deals as well for investors. Along with those ad templates, I can also give you the Facebook audience that I use that are helping with getting me low cost value leads. So it is very targeted for these ads. So all these things you can get only for $9.97. And you can get this at clickleads.org/templates. Actually, I think there is a word missing here. It is go.clickleads.org/templates. So I'll include the link at the bottom of this video, and you can go get this before the price changes or the offer is pulled off. So again, you can get the single area homes template and homes under certain price category, or coming soon and just listed, or foreclosure deals, along with the Facebook audience that I use, that you can simply copy and paste in your campaigns. Okay, all right. I hope you're going to take advantage of this offer and generate your own leads. So I'm going to give you the link in the bottom of the description here. Please go get it as soon as you can.